Hello, welcome back to part 5 of Create a Home Security Bundle with Product Rules. We've gone through the first through fourth parts of this project on Trailhead, so let's go ahead and go into number 5. Alright, this one we're going to be creating a validation rule within CPQ. If you've been in Salesforce for a little bit, you already know what a validation rule is. It's a rule that prevents you from saving. It kind of shows you, hey, you may have an error here, and they're set up by your admin. For this specific one, we're going to be creating a rule to prevent us from adding duplicate bundles. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, we're going to go to summary variables. And we're going to click new. Now I'm going to copy and paste the name just because it's a long one. Alright, then we're going to choose aggregate function as a summary or sum. And then we're going to keep that as quantity. Target object. Let's see, target object is going to be quote line. Sorry, I got a little bit distracted there. Then we're going to go to filter field as product code and make sure that equals home security console. And again, I'm going to go over and grab this. All right, we're going to click save. All right, next we're going to go to product rules. Then we're going to create another one, another new rule. Going to go back and copy this. It's just going to prevent duplicate bundles. These things are so darn tricky. There we go. Oops. As far as type, it's going to be validation. And then evaluation event is going to be on the save. For conditions met, we're going to go all conditions. And then message, we're going to copy and paste that. And let's go and click save. All right, now we're going to do error conditions. Going to click new. In the tested variable, we're going to grab that last variable that we just made, the sum of quantity for home security bundle. And let's see if it's, we're going to fire this if it's greater than 1. Now we're going to click save. All right, let's go ahead and check off this challenge. Of course, you can go in and test it and make sure that it works, and I encourage you to do so. But for the purposes of this, we're just going to check it to see if it throws any errors. All right, we did it. Thank you for watching part 5 of Create a Home Security Bundle. Be sure to check out my channel for other videos on CPQ, on Trailhead, on Salesforce in general. So thank you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe and join me for